1 second. So you said to kosher utensil, you dip it in boiling water and then put it in a mikveh. Is that for utensils that when you say put in the mikveh, is that for utensils that were not previously put in the mikveh, or
no, they were put. It says when you kosher utensils, so this utensil becomes non-kosher. For example, I give you an example. So we bought on eBay some things, some metal things like spoons, like silver spoons, right? Certain silver spoons, they sell it very cheap. We bought it many years ago, but it was very like a laughable price, basically, right? It was auctions, whatever. Paid like, I don't know, like $10 to $15 like for a silver spoon. You understand? So we kosher them. Of course, we assume they were used for a non-kosher food. And we put it in the mikveh. So here is it also. It's not kosher. For you, it's not kosher.
Right. So let's say, but you put it in a mikveh because you assume that they were never put in the mikveh?
No. I even though they were put in the mikveh, it doesn't matter. That's a last step of purification.
I got it. Okay.
It's actually this step. Actually, it's directly from the Torah. So when we went in the war, I think in Midian or somewhere, like we're going to read it soon in a weekly portion, and Moshe said whatever silver, gold utensils. So put it through fire. If it was you used for frying, put it through fire. If it's for boiling, put it into water and dip into the living waters. It's like paraphrasing what it says there. So it's always when you kosher, you have to like a last step of purification. You put it in the water, in the mikveh. Okay.
Got it. Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions before we continue? Okay, no problem. So if you have any questions, please ask, because it's very difficult subject, I think. If you never learn it, if you learn it and you're going over just like acquire additional information, so it's not that bad. But first time, I would say it's very, very hard, I think. That's my personal opinion. So if you have questions, you confused, there is no problem, just ask questions. Okay.